Well, hello everyone. You're probably wondering, what is this weird lug nut I have on my vehicle I just bought? This my newer used vehicle that I have no idea how to take this off. This is a locking lug nut key for your vehicle to prevent theft of your wheels and tires. And a lot of people, when they buy a used car, find that they have these on their vehicle and they don't know how or what this is or how to take their wheels off or how to acquire a new key. Well, I'm going to teach you how to get a new key for these. Check the vehicle for a little like card placard type of thing that comes with each set that's sold from the manufacturer or dealer that will have the specific like numbers associated with the design pattern on here, so you can reorder one. Typically a dealership will not sell you a key for this, because if they could, well, then any Joe blow off the street could walk in, buy a key, and there goes your wheels and tires for the evening. So yeah, pretty much one manufacturer makes these, Midgard, MCGARD. Typically you contact these guys with your placard number to reorder a key. So if you don't have that placard, usually it's in the glove box or center console with the owner's manual and stuff like that. Check there first. If it's not there, there's a couple other options. One being you can take a picture of the face side here and contact Midgard, and usually they can figure out the design that way. Number two, sometimes the lug nut itself will have like a serial number or something like that engraved on the side. That's if you can get it off. If you want to just order a spare key or something like that, usually there's like a serial number or something like that that'll lead you in the right direction that way too after you contact the guard. Otherwise, if none of that works, you can just go to pretty much any tire shop, and they'll usually have special tools in order to take the locking lug nut off. However, that typically destroys the locking lug nut and you won't be able to reuse it again. So they'll just replace it with regular keys, or regular lug nuts rather. The ways that you need to get this new locking lug nut key is to go to McGuard and contact them. As far as I know, they're pretty much one of the only manufacturers of these style lug nuts that most vehicles you're gonna find on most new cars, used cars, and stuff like that. That's about all they got for you on this one. No need to run to the dealer. They're not going to really be able to help you unless you just want them to try and remove them for you. Sometimes they'll have a master key set to remove these, but they don't sell them because, again, then anybody can just walk in, grab a new key, and off with your wheels and tires. The same way if they could just make a key for your vehicle over the counter. It'd be a very much simpler way to steal your car. So that's why. If you have any questions, down below. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Hopefully that helped you. Take it easy.